Hello guys, this is Teacher Emmanuel. Ordering food at a restaurant is super easy. Let's start. First, you'll need to get the waiter's attention. Try to say, excuse me, right? Now, for ordering. Start with, I would like, or can I have? Now let's practice. Can I have a burger? Or I would like a burger. I would like a salad. Or can I have a salad? Don't forget to add please at the end. Can I have a salad, please? If you want to ask about the menu, say, what's your special today? Or can you recommend me something? These phrases can help you engage with the waiter. If you have dietary needs or any restrictions, say, I'm allergic to, or is this dish gluten-free? Gluten-free? Very important. When it's time to pay, just say, can I get the bill please? Or the bill please? Or could you bring the bill? So let's recap. Excuse me? Can I have a burger please? May I have a burger please? What's your special today? What's your special today? Can I get the bill please? Practice these phrases and you'll be ordering like a pro in no time. Happy dining. This was Teacher Emmanuel.